Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Now fill in your email address here and click on continue with email. Now that you're logged into your Wix account, make sure that you are in the correct website from this list. After that, click on edit site. A new page opens up. You are now inside Wix website editor, and let's say I want to add a YouTube video on this page. First, I will make some space inside this page, or let's add a new section. I will go with a blank section. Now to embed a YouTube video here, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon, which is add elements, and scroll down to embed code, click on it, and select embed HTML. Click on add to site. A new HTML element is added to my blank section. Now go to the YouTube video page you want to embed, and this is a video of mine, so click on the video using the right button and select copy embed code. Go back to your Wix website editor and paste your embed code here. Click on update. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Then close this window. As you can see, my video is added here. After embedding your YouTube video like that, don't forget to hit the publish button to make your changes live. And this is how to before that, let's view my website live. Scroll down to the new section, and this is my new video, and this is how to embed a YouTube video on your Wix website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.